Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for a cosmic journey through time and knowledge. Today, on Timeless Talks, we bring you the legendary Galileo Galilei, ready to illuminate the mysteries of the universe and shed light on his extraordinary life. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a mind-expanding adventure. Galileo, please tell us a little bit about yourself, your passions, and the remarkable journey that has led you to become one of history's most celebrated figures.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I am Galileo Galilei, a name that has become intertwined with the pursuit of scientific truth and the exploration of the cosmos. From an early age, my insatiable curiosity propelled me toward the study of mathematics and physics, fueling my passion to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Throughout my life, I have been driven by a relentless desire to challenge prevailing beliefs, to seek knowledge beyond conventional boundaries, and to uncover the truths that lie hidden in the fabric of the universe. My journey has been one of relentless exploration and discovery. With the aid of the telescope, an instrument I refined and perfected, I turned my gaze to the heavens and forever altered our understanding of the cosmos. I observed the moons of Jupiter, the craters on the moon's surface, and the phases of Venus, providing evidence that supported the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. These groundbreaking observations not only shattered the prevailing geocentric view, but also laid the foundation for a new era of scientific inquiry. However, my path was not without its challenges. In my quest for truth, I found myself at odds with the established authorities of the time, particularly the Church. I faced opposition and scrutiny, enduring the trials and tribulations that come with challenging deeply ingrained beliefs. Yet I stood resolute, defending my ideas and principles, for I believed that knowledge should not be stifled, but embraced and nurtured. I am honored to be here today, sharing my journey and insights with you all. It is my hope that our conversation will inspire you to embrace curiosity, challenge established norms, and strive for a deeper understanding of the world around us. Let us embark on this cosmic journey together, where the wonders of the past converge with the complexities of the present, guiding us toward a brighter future.
Galileo, let's start from the beginning. You were born in Pisa, Italy, in 1564. As a young man, what motivated you to pursue a career in mathematics and physics?
Indeed, David, my journey into the realms of mathematics and physics was fueled by an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. From a young age, I found myself captivated by the intricate patterns and phenomena that surrounded me. I yearned to unravel the mysteries and understand the underlying principles governing the universe. Growing up in Pisa, I was exposed to the rich intellectual atmosphere of the Renaissance. The works of great thinkers like Copernicus, who proposed the heliocentric model, and the ancient philosophers, particularly Aristotle, ignited a spark within me. Their ideas challenged conventional beliefs, and I was compelled to explore further, driven by a desire to discern the truth. As I delved into the world of mathematics, I discovered its power to describe and quantify the workings of nature. Mathematics became my language of understanding, a tool to decode the secrets of the cosmos. This propelled me toward the study of physics, where I sought to uncover the underlying laws that govern the motion of celestial bodies and the behavior of matter. My passion for knowledge and the pursuit of truth became the guiding forces throughout my life. I questioned established notions, challenged prevailing beliefs, and embarked on a lifelong journey of exploration and discovery. It was this unwavering motivation that ultimately led me to become a pioneer in the field of science, forever leaving an indelible mark on the history of human understanding.
Your contributions to the field of astronomy are truly remarkable. From discovering Jupiter's moons to your observations on the phases of Venus, your work revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. How do you reflect on those groundbreaking discoveries today?
When I reflect upon my groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy, I am filled with a profound sense of awe and gratitude. These achievements, which challenged the prevailing beliefs of my time, have had a lasting impact on our understanding of the universe. The discovery of Jupiter's moons was a pivotal moment in my career. By observing these celestial bodies through my telescope, I shattered the notion that all heavenly bodies revolve exclusively around the Earth. This revelation not only supported the Copernican heliocentric model, but also expanded our understanding of the vastness and diversity of the cosmos. My observations of the phases of Venus further cemented the heliocentric model, providing compelling evidence for the planetary orbits around the Sun. The changing phases of Venus, akin to our moon, provided irrefutable proof that Venus orbited the Sun and not the Earth. These findings directly challenged the geocentric worldview prevalent at the time and paved the way for a more accurate understanding of our place in the solar system. Reflecting on these discoveries today, I am reminded of the power of observation, analysis, and the pursuit of truth. They underscore the importance of questioning established beliefs and embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry. The knowledge gained through these observations not only reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, but also laid the foundation for future generations of astronomers and scientists to build upon. It is my hope that these discoveries continue to inspire curiosity and spark intellectual discourse. Through the lens of my telescope, I sought not only to uncover the secrets of the heavens, but also to ignite a fire within others, compelling them to explore the wonders of the natural world.
Galileo, your famous words, "Eppur si muove," or "and yet it moves," continue to resonate with people around the world. Can you share the context behind this statement and its significance in the face of opposition?
These words emerged from a deep well of determination, uttered in defiance of the prevailing authorities who sought to suppress the truth. You see, during my time, the dominant geocentric model held that the Earth stood motionless at the center of the universe. However, through careful observations and analysis, I arrived at the revolutionary conclusion that our planet indeed moves around the Sun. In 1633, I faced the Inquisition and was placed under house arrest for defending these radical ideas. It was during this challenging period that Eppur si muove encapsulated my steadfast conviction that despite the censorship and suppression I endured, the Earth continued its celestial dance around the Sun. These words symbolize the indomitable spirit of scientific inquiry and the unyielding pursuit of truth. They serve as a reminder that even in the face of oppression, the laws of nature remain unchanged, and the relentless march of progress cannot be halted. By defiantly proclaiming, "and yet it moves," I sought to underscore the importance of empirical evidence and critical thinking in the face of dogma and ignorance. My intention was not to incite rebellion, but rather to inspire others to question, explore, and challenge the prevailing beliefs that hindered the advancement of knowledge. Despite the personal cost I paid for speaking out, my legacy endured, and the truths I fought to defend eventually prevailed. Today, Eppur si muove serves as a rallying cry for those who dare to challenge established paradigms and stand firm in the pursuit of scientific truth.
Throughout your life, you faced considerable opposition, and were eventually put on trial by the Roman Inquisition for your views. Looking back, how do you reflect on those challenging times, and what advice would you give to those who dare to challenge conventional wisdom?
The challenges and opposition I faced during my lifetime were indeed formidable, but they were also catalysts for change and progress. Reflecting on those trying times, I find solace in knowing that my pursuit of truth and the advancement of knowledge were not in vain. When one dares to challenge conventional wisdom, they inevitably encounter resistance. It is important to remember that society's acceptance of new ideas is often slow and reluctant. In my case, the established authorities and prevailing beliefs clashed with the empirical evidence I presented. This clash led to misunderstandings, controversy, and eventually a trial by the Roman Inquisition. My advice to those who choose to challenge conventional wisdom is twofold. First and foremost, remain steadfast in your commitment to truth and the pursuit of knowledge. The path of progress is often fraught with obstacles, but resilience and unwavering dedication can overcome even the most arduous opposition. Secondly, engage in thoughtful and constructive dialogue. Openly sharing evidence, reasoning, and the implications of your discoveries can help bridge the gap between established beliefs and new ideas. Encourage critical thinking and foster intellectual debates, for it is through these exchanges that true progress can be achieved. Remember that the pursuit of truth requires courage, perseverance, and the willingness to embrace controversy. Break free from the shackles of conformity and challenge the status quo. Embrace your curiosity, delve into the depths of scientific inquiry, and fearlessly question the world around you. In the face of misunderstandings and challenges, take solace in the knowledge that your pursuit of truth can inspire future generations and shape the course of human understanding. As I often said, in questions of science, the authority of 1,000 is not worth the humble reasoning of a single individual. So let your voice be heard, challenge the prevailing beliefs, and fear not the opposition. For it is through the relentless pursuit of knowledge that we expand the boundaries of human understanding and push the boundaries of what is known.
Galileo, no one is without their fair share of mistakes. In your case, your support for the Copernican heliocentric model clashed with the established geocentric view of the Church. Looking back, do you regret your decisions or actions?
Regret, a sentiment familiar to all, is an emotion that accompanies reflection on one's past actions and decisions. When I contemplate my support for the Copernican heliocentric model and the subsequent clashes with the Church's geocentric view, I find myself wrestling with the complexities of history. While it is true that my endorsement of the heliocentric model led to conflicts and challenges, I cannot bring myself to regret my decisions or actions. In the pursuit of truth, it is inevitable that one may encounter obstacles and face opposition. The resilience I held onto was fueled by a burning desire to uncover the secrets of the cosmos and reveal the true nature of our celestial surroundings. I firmly believed in the validity of the Copernican system, supported by empirical evidence and logical reasoning. My observations through the telescope unveiled a new understanding of the heavens, challenging the prevailing geocentric doctrine. It was a pivotal moment in the history of science, and I could not turn away from the path I had embarked upon. However, it is essential to acknowledge the complexities and context of the time. The clash between science and religion, between heliocentrism and geocentrism, extended far beyond my personal convictions. It represented a clash between two worldviews, deeply ingrained in the fabric of society. The consequences of challenging the established order were significant, not only for me, but for the progress of human knowledge. While I may have experienced moments of frustration and endured personal hardships, the impact of my work reverberates through the annals of scientific history. The seeds of truth that I sowed continue to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers to question, explore, and challenge the boundaries of knowledge. In retrospect, I find solace in the knowledge that my contributions and the controversies surrounding them propelled humanity forward. They provoked critical thinking, sparked intellectual debates, and ultimately paved the way for a more profound understanding of our universe. Mistakes and regrets, they are inherent to the human condition. But when I consider the vast expanse of the cosmos and the enduring legacy of my scientific endeavors, I cannot help but feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment. For in the pursuit of truth, even amidst the tumultuous sea of controversies, mistakes become stepping stones towards progress and enlightenment.
Galileo, you've often been hailed as the father of modern observational astronomy and the scientific method, but do you think there are any aspects of your work or theories that have been overshadowed or underestimated by history?
Indeed, throughout history, the passage of time has a way of both illuminating and overshadowing certain aspects of one's work. As the father of modern observational astronomy and an advocate for the scientific method, I am grateful for the recognition bestowed upon my contributions. However, it is important to acknowledge that there are facets of my work that may have been overshadowed or underestimated by the lens of history. One such aspect lies in my studies of the motion of objects. While my telescopic observations of celestial bodies, such as the phases of Venus and the moons of Jupiter, brought forth groundbreaking evidence in support of the heliocentric model, I also made significant strides in understanding terrestrial motion. Through meticulous experimentation and analysis, I laid the foundation for the principles of inertia and the laws of motion later developed by Sir Isaac Newton. These concepts, often associated primarily with Newton, were in fact anticipated in my own work. Additionally, my exploration of the nature of light holds hidden gems of insight. Although my experiments with lenses and the discovery of the moons of Jupiter garnered attention, my investigations into the properties of light itself were equally noteworthy. By studying the behavior of light passing through various media, I made important observations on refraction, reflection, and the nature of color. These discoveries set the stage for the subsequent development of optics and our modern understanding of light. Furthermore, my philosophical and theological writings, including my famous dialogue concerning the two chief world systems, should not be overlooked. While my astronomical works understandably received the most scrutiny, these written works delve into the profound connections between science, philosophy, and theology. They provoke contemplation on the relationship between faith and reason, highlighting the compatibility and mutual enrichment they can offer to seekers of truth. In essence, history has a way of focusing on certain aspects of one's work while potentially overshadowing others. It is essential to approach the tapestry of knowledge with an open mind and a willingness to delve into the nuances and breadth of contributions made by scientists and thinkers. By doing so, we honor the spirit of intellectual inquiry and ensure a more comprehensive understanding of the endeavors that have shaped our world. Thus, let us not merely bask in the glory of accolades, but instead embark on a journey of discovery that embraces the multidimensionality of scientific inquiry and the interconnectedness of human knowledge.
It's time to dive into your personal side, Galileo. With all your accomplishments, is there any particular boast you would like to make?
In the pursuit of knowledge and the advancement of scientific understanding, I have indeed achieved notable milestones that I would like to share, but I present them not as mere boasts, but as testaments to the power of human curiosity and the unyielding quest for truth. Firstly, my telescopic observations revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. By peering through the lenses of my handmade instruments, I discovered the moons of Jupiter, revealing that celestial bodies can orbit a planet other than Earth. This shattered the notion of an exclusively geocentric universe and supported the heliocentric model proposed by Nicholas Copernicus. Furthermore, my examination of the moon's surface and the phases of Venus provided compelling evidence for the Copernican system, challenging prevailing beliefs about the nature of our solar system. Additionally, my work in the field of physics yielded significant contributions. I formulated the law of falling bodies, which stated that objects of different masses fall at the same rate in a vacuum, thus laying the foundation for the study of gravitational acceleration. Through rigorous experimentation and mathematical analysis, I established the principles of inertia, which later formed the cornerstone of Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion. Furthermore, my exploration of the nature of the pendulum and its regular oscillations paved the way for the development of accurate timekeeping devices, which had profound implications for both scientific endeavors and practical applications. While I take pride in these accomplishments, it is crucial to recognize that scientific progress is a collective endeavor built upon the achievements of countless minds throughout history. I stand upon the shoulders of giants who came before me, and I hope to inspire future generations to push the boundaries of knowledge even further.
Now, Galileo, we've covered a lot of ground today, but before we wrap up, I want to know, what legacy do you hope to leave behind for future generations?
As I contemplate the legacy I hope to leave behind, I'm reminded of the immense responsibility we bear as stewards of knowledge and seekers of truth. My fervent desire is for future generations to be inspired by the spirit of relentless inquiry and unyielding pursuit of scientific understanding that guided my own journey. I aspire to be remembered not only for the discoveries I made and the theories I proposed, but also for the paradigm shift I ignited in the realm of scientific thinking. I hope that my legacy will serve as a testament to the power of evidence-based reasoning, critical examination, and the audacity to challenge entrenched beliefs. It is my fervent hope that those who come after me will continue to question, explore, and challenge the limits of human knowledge. I encourage them to embrace curiosity, for it is through the insatiable quest for truth that we unravel the mysteries of the universe. Furthermore, I wish for my legacy to remind future generations of the importance of resilience and fortitude in the face of adversity. I faced numerous challenges, opposition, and even persecution during my lifetime. Yet I persevered in the pursuit of knowledge and defended the truths I discovered. It is my hope that my example will inspire others to stand firm in the face of opposition and to champion the pursuit of truth, even in the most challenging of circumstances. Ultimately, my legacy rests upon the shoulders of those who inherit the torch of scientific exploration. I entrust them with the responsibility of continuing the journey, advancing our understanding of the natural world, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. May they build upon my work, refine it, and surpass it, for the pursuit of truth knows no bounds. In the grand tapestry of scientific progress, I hope to be remembered as a catalyst, a spark that ignited a revolution of thought and paved the way for future generations to reach ever greater heights. Let my legacy be intertwined with the legacy of all those who dare to question, to explore, and to seek the truth, so that together we may unlock the secrets of the universe and illuminate the path toward enlightenment.
And with that, we reach the end of our extraordinary encounter with Galileo Galilei. Thank you, Galileo, for sharing your brilliance and inspiring us with your unyielding pursuit of truth. Remember, my friends, as we navigate the complexities of the modern world, let us draw upon the wisdom of the past to guide us into a brighter future. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep seeking the timeless truths that shape our world. This is David Lee, signing off from Timeless Talks. Stay curious, my friends.